This video is a couple pointers on how to properly change a cocktail keg for our iPic stainless steel keg. So first off, this is the top to the container. This is a gasket. These gaskets are very important. They have to go right around the top, and if they don't, you don't get a good seal, and it can make the entire system depressurize. If these are ever missing, they generally have fallen into the batch container, in which case you just need to empty the whole container, rinse it out, and get them. But again, if that gasket isn't on, then your system's not going to work. All right, now when you're going to fill up a keg, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to turn off the gas. They're always in pairs. They go horizontal. That turns the gas off. All right, and then you have your batch. You want to have a funnel to keep it nice and clean. And then you need to have a chinoise or a fine mesh strainer. This is extremely important because our cocktail batches have fruit purees, which have pulp. If any of that pulp gets into any of these tubes, it can clog up the whole system, and it is a nightmare. So what you'll do is you're going to put your China strainer right on there, and then you're going to pour your batch basically through the China strainer, also noting that there is a funnel there as well to keep everything nice and neat. The funnel is going to keep everything clean, and the China strainer is going to make sure that you don't have any pulp at all. This is beyond important to train your bar backs this way. All right, now once that's done, you'll notice as well we have a hook here hanging up our China strainer. There's another hook right there. That is where we hang our funnel. And the funnel even has a hook right on there, but we're going to take that and rinse that off. Okay, so now our batch is in there. Now this is going to slide in. You see that it's oval. Go to the side and make sure it's oval, it's matching up. That flips down. Make sure that that's nice and tight and that's nice and flat. Now we take our special horseshoe coupler. All right, and that just, you see here, just slides right on, and then you press it down so it clicks. All right, now you go back up to the gas, and that goes vertically on each. Here those turn right on. Pressure gauge should be right around 20. Now your cake's ready to go. You also want to just shake it because we have all kinds of fruit purees in that. That should also be shaken. All of these really at the beginning of the shift and the end of each shift to make sure everything's working order. And now we can see our margarita's coming right out. The gas is going in. We're good to go.